Greg Udelhofen, ForConstructionPros.com. I'm here at ConExpo 2017 with Jason Hagedorn, and we're here to talk about the 950GC wheel loader. And I know you guys did a lot of research with customers to find out exactly what they wanted, and really their critical requirements for performance, reliability, and safety, and that was about it. So tell us how that all helped you guys when you developed this machine.
But the voice from the customers on the marketplace is kind of evolving to say, hey, we actually want to have a machine of simpler design, a machine that is easy to operate, service, and maintain, but yet backed by the Caterpillar Dealer Support Network. Again, kind of latching into that after-sale support from the dealer network from an uptime perspective.
But really on this machine, the focus is really the working end, the bucket, the linkage. I mean, again, these are customers that are rehandling material, big, bulky material. So tell us about the work side of this.
Perfect. That's spot on, because the revenue generation portion of our machine starts up front with a wheel loader. So the Performance Series bucket standing right here beside us is something we've had on our Cat products for many years now, and something we wanted to maintain with the GC design. The benefits of the Performance Series buckets from a customer perspective is they can reduce fuel consumption by 5 to 7% alone. At the same time, they're increasing the bucket fill factors by over 10%. So that's a direct translation to not just production capability for revenue, but again, controlling those costs. And how we get that is because we have a longer floor, a more open throat bucket design. When that bucket is rolled back, it heaps that material much nicer. That longer floor helps with penetration. So kind of in conjunction with that bucket, it goes hand in hand with the linkage in the hydraulic system. The hydraulic system of the 950GC, similar to our M series, maintains with a load sensing hydraulic system. So just like the human heart, it'll only pump as fast as needed, saving fuel. And that's a common technology out in the industry. But something that sets all of our Cat loaders apart, including this GC, is again the lift force balance, as well as the ability for the operator in the cab to maintain the ability to do lift and tilt at the same time. Essentially translates into a quick bucket dig time, which is how we save a lot of fuel while getting that production.
And you talk about lift force, but also just the lift capability as far as the height, the clearance.
Yes, so from a customer application perspective, some of the applications we're targeting with this machine, as you said, are rehandling. But it's not just, say, your sand and gravel, your aggregates, but let's talk about some of those light material applications, such as wood chips, maybe a dairy feedlot where you have a bunch of that feed product going into a very high sidewalled feed wagon. Lift height is essential for, I'll say, dump clearance in that case. And if you look at the specs of the 950GC, we have an additional hinge pin height compared to even our 950M, where this has over 6 inches of additional hinge pin height compared to the 950M. So again, really focusing on that customer need. Those bigger buckets, of course, when they're dumped over, can have an impact the dump clearance.
And just one final thing, it has to do with operator comfort. Operator-friendly, usability. Talk a little bit about that.
Yes, so in this space, one of those requirements from that simple, I'll say, machine design aspect the customer's requesting, their quote was directly, give me all I need features and functionality. So again, getting into the cab, we still have 3 points of contact access to get in and out. We still have the option for an air suspension seat or even a mechanical suspension seat, offering choices. But inside that cab, it's a traditional steering wheel. We go to a pilot operated control system for the hydraulic system. And the benefit there that we're hearing from customers already using this machine is that they have the nice sensory feedback from those controls. Again, inherent of a pilot hydraulic system.
Okay.
And
great.
Inside the cab, again, simplicity, you'll have a bunch of rocker switches, an auto reversing fan as an option, but again, all that can be controlled right in the cab very nicely.
Sounds like a all-inclusive package. I appreciate your time, Jason.
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay.